Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, all of the things.
All of them. Happy New Year, almost.
Almost. Welcome to Meal Prep with Missy
and Micah.
Yay! Holiday edition, Christmas edition.
Yes.
All around, reining in the end of the year. Goodness. So, what do we got for him today?
Today we're going to do a couple things. We are going to do a fun cocktail, because that is something that is just part of the holiday season for a lot of people.
And it should be.
As it should be. Sometimes it can help, as long as you don't overdo it. And then we also got a fun, healthy dessert. And you may say, how can that be possible? It's gonna taste gross. Nope, it's not going to. It's gonna be amazing.
Yes, and I think it's important too that, these are gonna be cocktails. They're going to have alcohol in them. Is everything going to be all healthy or perfect? No, because there should be balance. So we wanted to do a cocktail, and we wanted to do a healthy treat or dessert, like you said, and it is still going to be a dessert or a treat, but there are gonna be some very healthy ingredients that are gonna kind of throw you off, because we're making black bean brownies today. But I promise you, you will have absolutely no idea that there are black beans. It will be chocolatey, fudgy goodness, and I'm excited. We're gonna get mixing everything, and then we're gonna talk about what we're doing. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Wow.
Okay, so going in the oven. $12 minutes.
Yep.
We did it!
Woo, good
what
job.
a mess.
It is a little bit.
Desserts, baking, could have also been because we were cooking and drinking.
Right, that always helps.
All right. That was super easy.
Yeah.
Just a lot of things to kind of mix together, which you know, because baking is that way. Micah.
Yes.
More importantly, what's in your drink?
My drink today, I have a take on a Mexican mule. So it is just tequila and ginger beer. And then I used a little bit of pomegranate juice just to give a little bit of festive color. And then a little lime juice and a lime wedge in there. For the ginger beer, the way that you can make this cocktail maybe just a little bit healthier, most ginger beers that you buy are gonna have upwards of 50 grams of sugar per bottle. And a lot of them, if you have a healthy pour, if you have enough alcohol, you need more ginger beer. And so you can put a whole thing in there, and that is just unnecessary sugar and calories that you could spend elsewhere. So I use this mixer, it's called Zevia or Zevia, because it is naturally sweetened with stevia or stevia, however you decide to say it. So it's technically 0 calories, there's no sugars in it. It still tastes like ginger beer, and I prefer to use that, and like I said, just little pomegranate juice, and it is delicious. Missy, what about you?
Yeah, so we got our festive glasses.
Yes.
Might be my favorite part. Cheers.
Cheers.
So I love a good gin and tonic, but like ginger beer, Fun fact, I was 34 years old when I found out that tonic water has a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
It's basically simple syrup, for lack of a better term. It's like if simple syrup mixed with club soda. Because I knew it was bubbly and it was carbonated, so I thought that tonic was just a different type of club soda. And honestly, like, I had some at a wedding. I had a drink of a drink at a wedding. I was gonna enjoy it on when I was prepping for my show. And I'd been eating super clean, and I could taste the sugar. And I went, whoa, whoa, whoa. And I said to someone, I thought tonic water was like club soda. And they looked at me like I was a little crazy. So I learned my lesson. So for my healthier gin and tonic today, I got Bombay Sapphire. That is my preferred gin. I like Tanqueray and tonic or Bombay Sapphire and tonic. Otherwise, I might use another gin for something else. That is the gin that I'm using today. We're gonna say I did a hefty Sandra Lee pour of the gin in here, and that's okay. Heated too, don't let them fool you.
Definitely.
Then for my mixers, I actually got a diet tonic water. You can get diet ginger beer, diet some of those things. You could also replace it with club soda. That's one of my favorites. Half of a lime and a lime wedge. And then one of my favorite things that I found, it's Bee Mixed, and it's actually 0 calorie mixers. So they have margarita, they have a bunch of other flavors. This one happens to be a little ginger lime. So again, with the season, wanted things a little bit more kind of gingery for the holidays. I've had a couple of drinks of this, okay? And mix that in there. So again, when you're looking for something with a little bit healthier mixers, really watching what kinds of juices you're doing, but doing a lot healthier juices like a real berry or a pomegranate, or going with things that are more of like the club soda base, the 0 calorie base, so that yes, you're still having alcohol, it's still like a treat, it's still a drink, but you're not going crazy on the excess calories, so then you can enjoy the desserts.
Yes.
Now, while our black bean brownies are in the oven, baking at 350 for about 15 minutes, what did we put in them today?
So, black bean brownies, the base, obviously, given by the name.
And don't turn it off, because this one will fool you a little bit.
Brownies. No, it's black beans. So the black beans are the base, a whole can of them for this serving.
Which is a ton of protein.
It's a lot.
And a ton of fiber.
A lot of fiber. Some more fiber than some people get in a day.
Yeah.
And also a good source of iron. Beans are chock full of that very heart healthy little legume.
Yeah.
So that was the base, and then we had a lot of different things that were on the countertop here that we put in it. The worst thing maybe would be the maple syrup.
Yeah.
And that is all the sugar that was used in there, other than some of the chocolate chips.
Yep, no sugar, no brown sugar, nothing. Is maple syrup.
Maple syrup, and it's not even, there was other recipes for other ones that call for over a cup of sugar or brown sugar or a combination of them, and this wasn't even a cup of the maple syrup, and so it's a little more natural, and so it's just way more healthy than your normal brownies.
Yep, and then a little bit of quick cooking oats, vanilla flavoring, some baking powder, normal kind of baking things. Now, this is another healthy swap. I even do with just regular cupcakes. So even if I get a mix of cupcakes or a cake, I'm making Sawyer's birthday cake or cupcakes. Swapping out coconut oil instead of vegetable oil is a great way to get in some healthy fats, so then you can be good to know that your fats are coming from a healthy source. That's why if you see a lot of avocado brownies or olive oil cakes, some of those things are other just good healthier sources. No, it doesn't mean that it's super low cal, but again, you're replacing something with healthier fats that you need to have. And then this entire thing is not only packed with chocolatey flavor, because it has cocoa powder, which is actually naturally unsweetened because it's 100% cacao. Even the Hershey's brand, if you didn't know that, so that is in it as well. But this entire thing is vegan, because we swapped out the chocolate chips with Enjoy Life chocolate chips, my favorite. Still a little bit of cane sugar, still a little bit of that cacao and that chocolate sweetness, but no dairy, no soy. There's no eggs in this recipe. There's no milk. And so that's the beauty of it, is that it's not only would it be something that I'm going to enjoy to get a little bit of protein in my chocolate mix, but then he can enjoy it as well. And if you have anything, anybody that has allergies, this with can easily be replaced with gluten-free oats,
Right.
and then these are gluten-free as well. So then you have a dessert that can really fit anybody and all of their needs, and it's gonna feel like you made homemade chocolate chip brownies for your kids after school, like they were 5 years old. And we can't wait to take it out of the oven and taste test it. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Anything else? Oh, and holiday sprinkles.
Topped with some holiday sprinkles. You can't miss it.
The season.
No,
so
it was super easy. It just took a couple of minutes to mix together.
yeah.
Pop it in the oven for 15 minutes and you're good to go.
So we're gonna keep drinking
Yes.
because 'tis the
It's
season.
important. Absolutely.
And then gonna pull this out of the oven and show you what we got.
Cheers.
What's those?
Woo.
Sawyer J,
Hello.
what time of year is it? Is it Christmas?
Do you feel present?
We're gonna open presents. And what is your favorite thing? Do you love chocolate?
Yeah, Emmy in my tummy.
Yummy
Yeah,
in my tummy. Okay,
Not wrong.
so brownies they've been cooling out of the oven. So we are going to,
What's that little thing?
what's what?
The
Little chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Okay, ready? Now, they're a little gooey, Which-
gooey?
Gooey gooey.
which, I mean, that's my favorite right here. All right, ready?
Ready. You
Okay,
ready,
ready.
Sawyer?
Ready? They're so good.
You can get it.
They're so good. I can't believe there's black. Okay, ready? Now, here's the real test. You want chocolate? Here.
Oh, it's real good.
Oh, you want to take that one? Well, here, try this one. Try
The
one
whole
bite.
piece. Mmm.
Is that so good? Here, try a bite. Here, okay, here, take one. You want your own fork? If you have a toddler, kids.
I understand.
Old fork.
My own people fork.
This is your people fork.
No, it's not. I want my fork.
Oh, one of your forks?
Oh.
Here, one of your little forks?
Oh.
I want a mini one.
This is a mini fork.
I don't want it.
You're missing out on the delicious
You're missing out. That's a
brownie.
mini fork. Here, that one's yours. Use that one.
I don't want it.
Oh my god, this is amazing. Why I don't have another fork. Here. Got a couple options. Which one? Okay.
Perfect. That's a good.
You picked
that's
a good
fork.
choice. Okay, ready? Dig in.
No,
You do it by yourself.
I want to cut it.
Well, here, you take one right out of there. Oh,
Ooh,
that's a good cut.
That's good. There you go. A little on your nose, a little on your lips. Delicious.
How is it? Is that so good? Come here. Tell them, was it chocolatey? Was it good? Okay, if this 3-year-old right here is eating black bean brownies because she loves chocolate, you can have, do you want more?
Going
Yeah,
back
we're gonna get
for
in there.
seconds.
All right, guys, happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Cheers to you.
Cheers.
We hope you guys have a safe holiday.
Yes.
And have fun with your family. Cheers. Say bye. Can you say Merry Christmas? Say it.
Merry Christmas.